Lots of news in the gold market today. Trump puts a crippling tariff on Swiss gold bars imported from Switzerland. That was on the 1 kilogram bar and the 100-ounce bar. And right here it says that that could upend the global bullion market, says an analyst. So we'll take a look at how that's affecting gold price here just in a minute. We also had news that Treasury Secretary Bissett said there's something is wrong when the Fed doesn't cut, then jobs revised. So not sure what he meant by that, but I think he's putting some pressure on Powell to cut rates. We know that Trump wants rates to be lowered as well. And it looks like he's alluding to the weak job numbers and the numbers that were revised down. Powell might have been working with some overly inflated jobs number when he came up with the last rate decision. We also see down here with the continuing unemployment claims have been creeping up for several years now. They're getting quite elevated. So that's another indication that the Fed could cut as part of their mandate is maximum employment and price stability. So look, those rate cuts certainly would be bullish for the gold market. But let's take a look at the gold chart and we'll see how those tariffs are impacting the gold price. And this is a 1 hour chart, so it is pushing gold prices higher, but we still have that divergence here developing. We're getting those higher highs, and then it's not confirmed with the MACD. The momentum is going down. But if the market does start to panic, I think it'll just ignore that divergence and it'll push us higher. We're also getting up closer to this old high here, 34.37, and this downward sloping red line, which is around 34.25. So getting close to resistance. We could break out of that if the market starts to think those tariffs could cause a problem in the gold market. Silver was fairly strong today. We got above this first resistance line of 37.94. We kind of stalled out a little bit there. Then we jumped across it, and we're currently trading at 38.30. And the next resistance point is 38.72. We've also formed a divergence here with this higher high between these two highs here of this green line, and it hasn't been confirmed with the higher high. It's pretty kind of a flat MACD here, maybe down a little bit. So a little bit of a divergence in the silver price on the hourly chart. And we'll look at the gold miners pushing higher. Again, you see this vertical move here over the last 3-4 days. So we do have a divergence as well. It's kind of a smaller one where we have a divergence between this high and the MACD, a small divergence there. So I don't know, we could push higher on those tariffs. And also it looks like that Bissett and Trump are pushing Powell into lowering rates, which could be bullish for gold over the short term and medium term. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. That's it for now. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Please do your own research, and we'll see you in the next one.